DTCP approved 10 acres. Jahirabad to 13 kilometers before. DTCP approved. Hyderabad to Mumbai highway attached. Nearby residential, opposite residential only, and attached schools hai. 33 feet roads, CC roads. Underground drainage system, electricity, street lights, underground drainage system, rainwater harvesting. 110 square yards to starting है, ready to construction.